for developing the first one, 1.1, is when the teachers, the directors, or whoever are taking in these children into their program need to make sure that their health appraisals, their child information card, their immunization records are all up to date. They need to check them yearly. And if there is any change on any of them, or the parents need to make a change, the parent needs to initial and date when that change occurs. If a teacher, director of the child care, of the preschool, of the Head Start notices when they do their annual checkup on this information that there needs to be an update or a change, they need to reach out to the parent as soon as possible so the parent can get that changed.